This is a production of Cornell University.
Hello folks, and welcome back. Today we're going to be showing you how to air layer a fig branch in order to clone a fig tree. In this exercise, you'll need 1 thing of sphagnum moss, 1 knife, 1 paintbrush, 1 pair of clippers, 1 piece of tinfoil, hormones, zip ties, and a plastic bag. First, we need to have a plant that responds well to air layering. Not all plants are great for air layering, but figs happen to be very easy to propagate using this method. First, we need to fully saturate our medium. Then we will need to prune the branches above and below the area where we will be working. I will be cutting a girdle through the cork cambium layer, through the phloem, and almost into the vascular cambium. The phloem is the plant tissue that transports nutrients downward to the roots. In this case, the area where the phloem has been removed will still receive nutrients from the xylem, but because we provide a bit more moisture and moss, the branch will now put its resources into developing roots where the cut is made. The first 2 cuts will be horizontal rings around the branch. Next, I will make a vertical cut between the 2 rings. And I'll peel the bark back between the 2 rings to expose the vascular cambium. Then use your blade to peel back 1 additional millimeter of the vascular cambium. Applying rooting hormone to the area will accelerate the process. Although some plants may not require rooting hormone, if you have some available, it's recommended for efficiency. Now we can take our plastic wrapping and use twist ties to tie it to the lower part of the branch. Next, we can start to fill the bag with sphagnum moss, making sure that the moss is covering the entirety of the cut area. Now compress the medium into a tubular shape and use the twist ties to tie the bag on top. Finally, cover the entire area with foil in order to keep the light out. In 6 to 8 weeks, we'll come back to see how this branch has developed. So we're back here about 8 weeks later, and we're going to remove our film material and see what sort of roots have developed on this branch. We can see that easily after 8 weeks, there's been some serious root development on our air layer. Now we can get in there, cut the branch, and get ready to transplant it. As our final step here, we're going to take our air layered branch and we're going to transplant it into a 3-gallon pot full of Lambert medium, and then water thoroughly. We hope you have enjoyed this video, and we look forward to seeing you again sometime soon.
This has been a production of Cornell University, on the web at cornell.edu.